A, B, C, D, E, one, two, three, four, five.
Let's learn some colors name. Red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, orange color, pink color, purple color, brown color.
A is for airplane. It flies in the sky. B is for baby. Sometimes it may cry. C is for clock. It tells you the time. D is for diamond. See how it shines. E is for elephant. Bigger than me. One baby arrives. Two tiny hands hold. Three sweet kisses given. Four cozy blankets wrapped. Five flowers bloom. A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Great job, friends! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.